Negative thoughts and unwanted emotions. All those upsetting feelings that we all get that always come into our mind and control our emotions and happiness, and also makes us feel so little about our lives, which sometimes does not make sense. Well, my name is Teresa. I'm a life coach and a sustainable development executive. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 12 keys on how to let go negative thoughts and an unwanted emotion. So hit the notification bell and let's get it done. One, make the choice. I want you to remember that we do have a choice in letting it go. You constantly thinking about the negative thoughts won't help you to live a happy life. So you can consciously decide to stop replaying all those negative thoughts that comes into your mind. Well, I have an assignment for you. Anytime an embarrassment situation or a negative thought comes into your mind, I want you to ask yourself these two questions, which is this really important, or does this really deserve my joy? The reason why you need to ask yourself all these questions is because it will help you to put your mind in control, and also it will help you to letting it go. Two, write it down. You need to get a journal and write all those negative thoughts down. Anytime you catch yourself recalling all those negative vibes, thinking about the negative thought, thinking about the thing that does not make you happy, pause and jot all those thoughts down. Doing that will help you to slow your thoughts and also articulate all the things that is bothering you. Three, stop blaming, because it is easy to fall into the role of the victim. And also remember that most stories have two sides. So instead of you blaming the other person, or instead of you blaming yourself, why don't you focus on handling the situation differently, in a sense of bringing an empowerment to yourself? Before I give you my 4 tips, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell. Well, 4 is by living in the present. Stop thinking about the past and live in the present. Do the things that makes you happy. Do the things that brings joy to your soul. You can take a time and meditate on the word of God, or you can take time and meditate on the good things that has happened to you. Think about the positive things in life. 5, stop replaying the tapes. You know, when you keep on replaying all those negative thoughts and mistakes or shameful moments in your head, it can cause you a serious illness. That is why you need to stop replaying all those negative thoughts. That is why you need to get away with all those negative vibes, so that you can live happily. So anytime you catch yourself replaying all those negative tapes, pause and treat yourself with some kindness. You can go to Starbucks and get yourself some nice coffee. You can go to the mall and get yourself some nice clothes, or you can go out and have dinner with your friends. 6, cry it out. Before you can let go a negative situation, you have to feel full, and crying can help you to smoothen your negative feelings and make yourself feel better. Do you know that studies have shown that tears actually raise the body chemicals that raises cortisol, which is the stress hormones? 7, channel that energy into doing something good. Well, you can transform a painful memory or situation by using it as a catalyst to help one another. For instance, you can volunteer in your community to show some love to a family member who needs it, or you can adopt a pet who needs home. Always know that there is a way to use your negative experience as a launching pad to help one another. So don't waste your time in thinking about the negative vibe. Rather, use it as a positive vibe to help one another or to impart life in your community. 8. Release the endorphins. There is no better way to get out of a funk than to wake up a sweat. So you need to go for a run or enroll yourself in a spin class. Before you know, the endorphins have released. Doing all that will always help you to bring a sense of hope into your thought, and it will help you to focus on the right things. So why don't you release the endorphins by going for a gym or doing something good? 9. Make a list of the things you can control in the situation. Maybe you can't control the other person's thought, but you can control your attitude. You can control the effort you put in resolving conflict, or you can control the view of the situation as an opportunity to learn something new or to learn something important. 10. Be empathetic. Well, sometimes you have to put yourself in the shoes of another person and try to see the situation from their perspective. To remember that we all make mistakes, and nothing conquers anger or pain quite like a spirit of compassion. 11. Focus into the future. Most times I imagine and ask myself this question: so in 5 years' time, will I still remember all these negative thoughts or all these situations that I am stewing over? And most often the answer is no. So why are you wasting time on that situation? Why are you wasting time on that negative thought? Why don't you focus your mind on the future? Because most of the things that we worry about seems not to be important later. Yay! Before I give you the last tips, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell. Well, the last one is by surrounding yourself with positive people. Sometimes it helps to vent about our situation to a family member or a friend. But watch out, this does not turn into yet another reaction of negative thought. So always surround yourself with people who love and care about you, and not surrounding yourself with people who will make you feel bad about yourself. Don't surround yourself with people who will judge you. Don't surround yourself with people who will not comfort you. Surround yourself with positive people. And remember, as you surround yourself with positive people, naturally you will start thinking positive. Naturally you will start living a happy life. So why don't you surround yourself with positive people and leave all those negative people, throw them away? So these are the 12 ways to let go the negative thought and unwanted emotions. I hope you were inspired by it. Please share it with your friends or your family, and also like it and make sure you comment. Also, if there is any topic you want me to talk about, drop it at the comment section and I will do more research about it. My name is Teresa, but you can always call me T. Until next time, talk to you soon. Bye.